how to create MetroBank account online. So if you want to create a MetroBank account online, then what you need to do is first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go with the search. And under search, you need to search for MetroBank online. Once you've searched here, you will have the MetroBank online banking. You just need to simply go with www.metrobankonline.uk.com. And after that, you can simply go with login option, which is on the upper right. Once you go with login, you can simply choose your personal banking or business or commercial banking, or you can simply go with register for online banking. So in our case, we want to create, right? So to create, you just need to simply go with register. Once you have with register, now it will take you to the register page. So to register or to create your MetroBank account online, then what you need to do is simply go with the 12-digit customer number. You will have the customer number, right? So you just need to simply enter the customer number. But if you've forgotten, then you can go with forgotten your customer number, and you will get some information on how you can recover that. And after that, you just need to simply enter the last 4 digits of your mobile number. And here it says, if this matches the number we have registered for you, we will text a one-time password to confirm your identity. So you just need to simply enter the last 4 digits of your mobile number, and then you need to enter your magic word. But if you don't have your magic word, you can go with don't have a magic word. And then it says, if you've forgotten your password and security number, or you're new to the online banking, you'll need a temporary magic word. So to get a temporary magic word, you can call on this number, or you can visit the store or the local store. So you just need to simply enter the details if you remember your details. So enter your 12-digit customer number and the last 4 digits of your mobile number and your magic word, and then go with continue. And in this way, you'll be able to create your online account on your MetroBank. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.